In this video, we're diving into Microsoft PowerPoint, specifically the different versions of PowerPoint and a quick overview of the user interface. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this is the perfect place to start. Let's get into it. Section 1. PowerPoint versions. A quick timeline. PowerPoint has been around since the late 1980s, and it has come a long way. Let's look at some of the most common versions still in use today. PowerPoint 2010 introduced the ribbon interface, backstage view, and video editing features. PowerPoint 2013, sleeker design and better cloud integration with OneDrive. PowerPoint 2016 brought in real-time collaboration and deeper Office 365 integration. PowerPoint 2019 added morph transitions, SVG support, and 3D model insertion. PowerPoint for Microsoft 365 constantly updated with the newest features like Designer, AI-powered ideas, and live collaboration tools. If you're using the Microsoft 365 version, you're always on the latest release with new features added regularly. Interface overview. What you see when you open PowerPoint. When you open PowerPoint, the first screen you'll see is the Start screen. Here you can create a new blank presentation or choose from a list of templates. Once inside a presentation, here's a quick tour of the interface. At the top, we have the ribbon, which includes tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, and more. Each tab contains groups of related tools. On the left, you'll see the Slides pane, which lets you navigate between your slides. Front and center is your editing area where you build and design your current slide. Below the slide is the Notes pane, where you can add speaker notes. At the bottom, you've got the status bar showing slide numbers, design suggestions, and view controls. You can also switch between Normal, Slide Sorter, and Reading views from the lower right-hand corner. Customize the Quick Access toolbar. Want to speed up your workflow? Right-click any tool and add it to the Quick Access toolbar at the top. This saves you clicks and keeps your favorite tools close at hand. Direct hit. Understanding these basics will make it so much easier to start creating impactful presentations. Next up, we'll cover creating, saving, and opening presentations, so stay tuned.